Eddie Munina about Ras Media so and then you may minimum assign a share beam. Then in Shayana Yeshiano ye bedin komoka crack. And common ye bedino. What has happened? I was from a church Munina. Hello. How do you know? Hello. Oof. Man, sure, my fun. I was young for. Hello. Man, what shit. Hello. Hello. No. No. Hello, Busanfo. Yeah, Masai Ababium. I'm just say the sound, no. Hey, come on. I'm back. Mon fan cheme. Shasi na me was sound problem. And in tia mame call ya. Masai Ababium. Me mame dan apia me wakwa aba me wakwa aba ye. Aba platform is good even to you. Abusanfo na so Ras Media matrans biem. Na ye de nkomo ene nsem de enam. The political issue in the country is always becoming big. And I'm here as your only political commentator on the social media to talk about issues. And then, I want to say, Integratio. And then, Yebekasa Afa, Yura, Kyei Mensa Bonsu, or the reply Kessepa Abra and Crofobinuma, from the base. I almost they are working for Kennedy Agyapong. And no credit bedadio and no credit bedadi. And tron contompo na dane or siremuka. Omoboa Kennedy MPP ni onibabiako. Aye. Wow, son tia se kwashipo. Ye would a Kyei Mensa Bonsu in church muaba. The entire base na ankasa the base no. The entire Nkrofobi e de abeto abonten so omo ye the base. Ye would a Kyei Mensa Bonsu in church muaba. If you want to abra ebe kasa afa ade bi ho e wo man no mene nyama Dumsur ya aba anase abampa wie. Many people, especially in the Akan regions, Ashanti region, bono ene na asefo Dumsur kese pa elupu amanfo nyanka ne amfa nye omo adwuma amanfo nyanka ne na omo ada ho eno so ne ebe kasa afa ho. Yefiri ho a ne abo awura mu yie e wo Ghana Cocoa Board saga akuafo ye ntimi ntue omoka ye wo aspect bi wo ho a Ghana fo ye nyanwene ho ene ebebie mato ho de Joma Hama ne na aban aye no ka omode abo amanfo wo ho ene me ba be kiro se Cocoa akrachefo ebinom abo katwitwiri die enam andisi aban sansem wei miensa wei ena maboa no a ene Mede bra se menu nyina ye mra mechemfa na ye mobo ho ye mebuebu ho bre no so na so filia you can also call in and give your point of view into about nase na ye mfa dwumadie no enhya ase meso se bo modern na like video no share video no mame comment na mintumi enkan o comment ma o subscribe wi a na o don sesi adoma no so se de be ya me ba live me the video bi atuma won so no nsabeka no abe join me na me no nyina ache video na fa na wo so watuma nya akwanya akire wadwen e won nsem a edidi so no ye mo nwura mu na ye nkwe de di kan meso se like video no mame ye kwoto aba wie ye de etiba bi ya to aba wie ye kwa kansi aba ako na edi nkan nipa mienu ntumi ni nkan ma ne ye yeda na so na nke ya koye me se Kennedy Agyapong krofo no ebinom omoso omo akoma ento mo yam ebinom de akura pose Kennedy Agyapong enyam pipi ni biem Ebinom say Kennedy Agyapong atene ono ankasa the party. And I'm so my last time be wa and a papa yefreno. Papa yefreno George Oti Bonsu eba abonten ebe kan say no oni Kennedy Agyapong the nam na the omo atranse adwene ho ne say Kennedy is not coming back into the MPP party. Asem we beto abonten ye di ho ya pa e be tie video na ansa mekoma ni mama ko de tie video we tie video na ansa mekoma ni mama ko ni wo ho ba bia me kasa efiri edeba ye ntie mra sehia
ti se the base no tia ekuo bi a yatia the base of Kennedy a compare ko Agyapong
base a motia mo de yen
ejina homa Honorable Kennedy a compare ko Agyapong
base to rescue Ghana no ejina ho de ma Kennedy or hine Agyapong
if you say meet me the President Akufo-Addo,
okay.
Former President Kufuor omunyina infanto omunyina anya the base o hwe me nua pani Alan na onya the base ni ntino okwa na osamba oba na ayhwete pansam wodie okoye no ehu se okura adwempa ne nimdie a Ghana ihwe ne ya binya so mfaso ntie ma ne mfa ne nimdie ne na adwempa ne nkwa samado ntie se the base of Kennedy Agyapong no yenya ne timopo ene nimdie no eka oman Ghana asase so ni so mfaso ene tina ya form the base of Kennedy a compare ko Agyapong.
Is it the base no ejina homa Kennedy Agyapong well established?
Yes sir.
Ntejuma be na be den mo be den
ejuma ebe de ye wo so die kase da so say third force eneba
third force.
Yes sir.
Mentiaje
ye wo party akase miunu ene wo Ghana MPP ene wo NDC.
Yes.
We kwa 8 years na we aba. We kwa 8 years na we aba. Ye hu de o ma no ye ko bonkuma se ye ko nifa. Na de bia wo ye miunu pia no ye na edin se ebeyi. Na se emiensa o wonu se anye ya we beba ho. Nti obe careful. Nti se ba ko be kan na third force Ghana for be hu fa so ne hu o fa Ghana so serious se de o ma no o hwe enura hu ne bi ma mewura hu ye se ye wo asase kase crossing Burkina na Ghana for ecofantos ewo Burkina na yekokun Ghana for ewo ekwan so na se wo hwe akoma dan ne san asase da ho ni nyina chi a na se third force ama na se o man Ghana ihu ba bia yeko
and the third force means multi party
ekuo no de the base of Kennedy Agyapong na ye beti party so and in a third force no
to rival NPP and the NDC.
Yeah.
Mira, so we NPP ni.
Na me ye MPP ni.
Ah, they say what free?
Opini. Me metra ha sebe o bibi ye, me so bibi ye.
Of course.
Na me metra media grow.
Okay.
MPP so kura enka menum bi. Eye Kennedy a compare ko Agyapong ti na me kobo ano. Na ka ba umia ne yere dia enka media MPP out me ye MPP ni bi.
Wo jai
MPP so kura enka menum bi.
Asem na no ehio.
Opini
Because I've known you to be obi a wabo MPP.
Yes, enti se utie yewura Oti Bonsu a yeto aba wiye papa ba bonten be ka asem we. But na akwakwa ese amanfo adwene se ene se Kennedy Agyapong ko Kennedy Agyapong ko. Ni nyina mo no ene yewura Kyei Mensa Bonsu edin kyerkyere mu aba. When we say first me ba be ka se yewura Oti Bonsu oye businessman wa hwede sika me ma me wakwa aba me Kofi Frank me ma wonso akwa aba pa wa hwede sika wa found the Kennedy Agyapong campaign enti wa hwede sika second ye nyina ye nim se papa we na nkopeso mfa dufudie kwam bi so emfa busua bi asase ena Ghana mra ejina ho edema ohiani bi a owa asase na oni sika na ye gi asase no edi firi papa wei ne nsam asam no anto papa na som enti odi kan se okwa akosisi dan asi ensase no so said de be ya so osi dan ni wi a sabio abusua no anasa abusua kro na asase ne ye omode no ombebu omo ani aguso na omomfa asase ne bi but say say nya hiafo nyina na esuro sikafo enti sa ohiani no bo modren efa kwam bi so ekobubu papa ne dan nyina gu fam and am say na law court amane kwan so betumi aye saade no saade we na ahye papa we ya since then say according to Kyei Mensa Bonsu no Dr. Bawumia ho nipa bi na busuani bi ewo kwan bi so ena na oni osei George Oti Bonsu etwe sa manso we enam so kra ema yewura Bawumia to ne nsa se nka Oti George Bonsu emra na nka one ne ntrase ni nkomo na nka yemfa ne out solution papa yi ampantie papa na mpantie o but wafa yewura Dr. Bawumia ne yere ho time bia edanitim Jesse Dr. Bawumia ne yere de papa ya oti hoyi si ono de ompo mu dini kura tie wo kwam bia so enti since Dr. Bawumia na ye the leader of the party no automatically ne time na owode ma Dr. Bawumia no or dane e de akọ MPP amanyoko no so enti yeto abawie ya Kennedy Agyapong abre wa hwede sika na Oti Bonsu so ahwede sika na nka omoye business partners no Kennedy de etutu ne niema Kennedy miani kuro Kennedy sabio asofofo hye ne bomposi obeden obenwene ai asofofo ahodo so omo abompaye omo ye nyanka made omo ye spiritual things enti omo ahu no spiritually say Kennedy has win Emma Kennedy nya ahodren bro bosian more say okoye campaign now the word of Lord no the voice of the people and this yankopon ke so obewene dia any obewene enti bosian bem Kennedy was thinking say he was the thing god of the campaign oni ne nkrofo no so dia omo anweni awie enti awie ya Kennedy lusu ye by lucky election is very peaceful Kennedy himself will lose omiani kro but Oti Bonsu asase ya de bia de papa we ye no evil deal greediness this man asase ye de bi o media num na the base Kennedy Agyapong de na menwia be ma me bisa wasem da benda na what say yakwa akote amanyoko a enipa odi amanyoko nanim oma bontema ya announcement na mbom enkrofo omo nam ne nchen na ye de defa ho. This is the question that you have to ask yourself. Dear Nancy, dear sie nyina ne se Oti Bonsu pese on yeden on blackmail the MPP in a way to get back all the money that he has lost. Second, onim se onon kwa per se no so kese MPP mfonfa ni sika man sika wahwere a they will not mind him but onim say so go through Kennedy Agyapong's a famer a possible say MPP for ebe dane wonani e dey ahwe no ya pe bibidia compensate no. This is what this man is doing and now he's using the name of Kennedy Agyapong to do all these evil things that he's doing. Now there Yanni say papa we yo to a businessman ni sika na ohwe so he has the right to do whatever he wants to do. The amen tiase ne de ekoso a enso ani na make sense ne se enkwada to fee binom enkwada to fee binom encrophobia sabio abrochire bi na ne ba ayefo e no monye bi aba encrophobia omunim what is about politics me na Mr. Kyei de man mo akwa aba achi asem we asi won so a they are the communicators for the base party enye assistant but ya shedanya communicators some social media platforms, some kwasiafo binum asabi omko kika kwasiasem because no munim di omoyo and you won't know they still keep on firing on the MPP say Kennedy Agyapong will never and ever come back into the MPP. But the coordinator of the MPP, the Kennedy Dr. Bawumia campaign, Yeura Kyei Mensa Bonsu, former majority leader, your friend the leader, and then Okopie Ewo Kesman TV. And you listen as him say, Papa, and Tinema when you see Yenina, and Sama Yetitin and Ne, a free George Otibonsuna Numuno. What do you think? Would Kennedy Agyapong come back to join the party? Abusia, the same way, and I would Kyei Mensa Bonsu Kai. Yentie, yen coming back into the studio. Like if you do not share, comment, Mamma and Kuyani.
Yeah, said okay 2024 no. Not we na one candidate, a very strong candidate, Alan. Or say my free party no. Nim say hamo pa. Figures I came now more vote as oti na ne ka ho bi. But we de nyame adom to we no munhu bibiasa. Unity with the candidates no. They ko say now we are Thanksgiving no. Ye hu Kennedy Agyapong ho, ye hu Brian ho. But dana move to about we don't can say they are going to support him. I'm can we jam keke. And that's underground who's still at the support to stay.
Oh, yeah, my information. I'm say Adebechi, ama sorry no. Na me bisa say where are they? Because me bisa omunyina. Kabina responded say Oba. If anything, Educhum responded say Onoso Oba. And I Ken any Brian Enka and Tibi Bisano and a Minyan and TSA Omotia Monechi Kakra Nipa Mino and the Arizan comes to become with the former presidents, former President Kufado. Senia Ina Bia most of Mutmasoto for Moti, that Commonwealth for Amano Eko Bangladesh abato ntina ono susu ni omanu na nti eno ma chief of staff former chief of staff EBC na nai president Kofo nso na Nigeria for etu omonsa efreno hema ono so ekodi dwumadi kakra me say ade be kina najo ni medana najo eno obedure and we say penny and what didn't say can nti emse oba na obono na emo imi do nanka opese oba and eventually no yes baby adu no what didn't man ntimi ma nti na ono so ntimi ama na nyebo apaye nti now I'm told Ken is back nti we are having some discussions. In fact, Nekrambu midun kraya. Menini nuya baako inshemwa yekodi. If you no ansa na me fi nkran anopa. Menini shiai idi enkomo. Ma anamoa na ononso utu boambeti. Now we need to talk further. Minia kugu bien wa especially in this case when he thought he was going to win. I said you come chef for crab say when the kunim and when they didn't say bibisa aba to be like a hurricane nti ebe buto so ya die bebem nti ma cheju kakra. Then you start to talk. I know, say, regardless of whatever, Ken no in Agyapong. Me say, emanating that so be free MPP.
That it the base name MPP. Please. And the super sabe can't be saying ho.
Oh, sending microphone at a crowd Jim Fubi. Na ibinum ya DB So bi me ya odi bi a nipa bi na say crash bi kura wono ko tran ba bi ne me na wototo ayampia na bi de ma me so wono em say asem bi nti ni bofu Dr. Baumia say anya Baumia na krambo asem o obi asem obi a oben Dr. Baumia and one in the asem asem no e court in Buama and nipa na oben Dr. Baumia no Dr. Baumia no tie no kra say no say ne sitie no nipa o MPP ni to ne sa friends o mbra ko munni ho komo yen hwe asem no pomesi bre even after court ne bua no this man decided so onko what you say be fi ho no che say he has never forgiven Baumia and then ohine Japan ka so contest me fan say ohine Japan contest and ray and get ba fu bia ba so ne Baumia be contest ba ko so for to say ni man and obia obem Baumia no so dey drag fi e ba ni mu na watoto bia ma ne o say dey na no ba kuma say Moses station be called to be man me I don't respond to those things that's an man me family because otherwise dey bia no you be responding to obia ko ka say have a Kyei Mensa Bonsu and I say to me I don't respond to those things I focus on the woman so and nipa itwa ntro so fa ho a e be kwa animu no ano that person be exposed say nipa no nyane kwafo what you say no kwatna radio no so no need was Kyei Mensa Bonsu onye serious mame me just serious nipa do dey chiri do serious but you don't respond to those things what you say then you move on because okasa o yi chiri a e man ka bo mkura ye pe no so ho e de nyamba boni say it takes two to tango say nipa bi no na ekon ndokwa obi bo no amu ni bia ndokwa bia ma
yes enti se utie asema yewura Kyei Mensa Bonsu ekaya ese yewura Kennedy Agyapong enye nadwene obabia se ofiri MPP party num na mbom no eye oti George Bonsu adwemmane abani tim yawo a wodi yawo papa ni di ene nam so a kwasha ase a okeka amamfo ti bom on the base say ya ti party eye Kennedy Agyapong party abusia temiye pa ene meti se Kennedy Agyapong nipa bia na okasama no in during the campaign time about bontendenden say Kennedy Agyapong nim na okoye campaign e de mayewura Dr. Bawumia omo sa nkrofo no mbebo Kennedy Agyapong dua asempa na meka kiro o se obebo Kennedy Agyapong dua because say during the campaign enipa bi ti se koka ene nkrofo bi e ka asem de fa ono no Kennedy Agyapong ho na Kennedy after all of that no otumi esanka se oni sa nkrofo na e kojina platform ba so a ye campaigner ono no sa nipa no obebo Kennedy Agyapong edua amana yeye abusia video no I'm say me send to me come but I will do everything that I can to make sure say ubetie video na nipa kro or kase or person more Kennedy Agyapong dia if Kennedy tries anytime to what to let can say to campaign for Kennedy Agyapong the moment video no na emrese sia moment Abusanfo mo fancheme say the screen share no entumi nya adwuma yenti mo fancheme me bo matran se metumi a download sa video we abra me ne mo di nkomo na mabo video na mamotie na motie ne ye pa de ho nyina ne se otipo nsu ne nsam na o kan nti no me maame amase no sound yeah I can understand but mo fancheme yeah asama na akwayi kan nyina ne se so falasia apronye atumi aka na adwena kyerɛ Kennedy Agyapong so faras akoka atumi aka na adwena de akyerɛ Kennedy Agyapong de ɛkyerɛ sɛ eni kwansa ken etumi ekogina Dr. Bawumia platform so ɛyɛ campaign de ma Dr. Bawumia na sɛ Kennedy yɛ saa de no ɔsɛ ɔkɔ akɔyɛ campaign de ama Bawumia ɔno no saa koraketo bi saa Jimmy saa no ɔbɛbɔ Kennedy Agyapong dua. Well, Jimmy, you see why during the campaign I started saying, say, some of the people, Mokasama Kennedy Japan, Omonte Amanyo Semase, Mama Monica Bemoakwaba, Omonte Amanyo Semase, Omodi Omoakuma, and a ya Manyo Sem. But Amanyo Fono, Omodi Adjene, any Yansa, and a ya Manyo Sem. Rational thinking human beings and enya man yourself enya akoma ye the transfer daimu yes akoma ye the transfer daimu baby awtia ye kan asem kire wani hu ni da ye si gidi na wo so wagye adi ye the akoma ye say I believe ye nke say I know ye say I believe enti sa nkrofo na omo ye akoma thinkers no akoma emotional reactions no omo na otibo nsu edi kwam bi so that one underground to make it feel say Kennedy Agyapong is not part of the MPP abusia minya bema da bia me kan asem we me say Kennedy knows how important it is for him to be part of the MPP. And a Kennedy know how is it can I say why he should not go away from the MPP. Temiepa MPP amanyo koni enyansafo kuo. We ya ho pese me nkuminya openly. They will show you red card. Na no kwesi kwa aten. Akwana during the campaign na okasa bebrede ma Kennedy Agyapong no. Wababo antena babe ka se ono ye MPP ni enti so oti so okasama Kennedy Agyapong okasama Kennedy Agyapong because he's an MPP member. Kennedy Agyapong own spokesperson for the campaign and e be ka asem no enti e bia oti abrochire baabi na me ka se wo abato okra ye kwakoto a wo ntubi ebi ameka say uti abrochire baabi unyam pipi ni kura wo baabi a ebi ameka say Kennedy Agyapong ni campaign time financier bi hu pe kakra de ma minya be ma de na omoye de na Kennedy Agyapong ye e de support mo se mo nkasa no it was a strategy yeto abani wi no atwa asi eko because 23% there what they call it untimi mfa nya ayesem ani ye politically na ye can even to the extent but be ken winning ya regions are ken timi winning ya unsheda new region titiro bikita wonsam unsheda ni constituency titiro bikita wonsam unsheda ni district titiro bikita wonsam ubere na wa ya ayesem ewo nkrofo a omukita be se 14 regions nkrofo omukita be se 100 or 200 what them call constituencies in the country ubere na oni omo akwa ya ayesem untumi nyama ni ye enti sa wona media num now think kwasiafo bi no kin no vote the base no hwan and hwan ya they are actually confused because confusion no and I did the eba nyina ba they are confused Kwan omo fa so omo ye diabolic campaign no. They don't know where to go. Me can send you last time when we were doing the campaign. Me say, Michael do me mo akwaba. Mpainfo na ankasa no mpainfo no omo amanyoko no omo agidin. Dr. Bawumia, Kennedy Agyapong, Dr. Napo, Stekanom, former wine nom. Some mpainfo no chama wuntumi no mabro nyenom ne na asefo no. Let's talk about Kyei Mensa Bonsu nom, Justin Kodua. Saa nkrofo mpainfo no. A position in the party, everyone that no matter who lead the party. Enti so di mpainfo na chi na wokasa na odi nimdeɛ ɛne nyansa ato ho na wakasa emfa akoma nkasa wɔ politics. Don't believe we say our candidate will win at all cost. Enti wokasa wobɛkasa te sɛ the sabi oye tipom koso oye sa na wo say your political journey afre na wahya ase ɛne ne yɛ and now me no say it is more probably say alantre mantin betumi ase aba MPP ma be MPP ni na wase anya post wadi ma na ye but it will be very very difficult for Hobson Tokono kwacho acho sangwe by be ma Hobson Adoye yedi meyere to come back in MPP and have position in the MPP. But Alan can come back in MPP today and he'll be a big man in the MPP. And politics. And to the Omoachia, I was able to mean conduct to him as a mature person. Now may attractive to anybody that wins. Me kwajo abri fami mwakwaba. Tie me yepa. Campaign me yebio. Usa mi boja. But wo de kwana kobo mi video sa. Me ye nyina. All the videos that I did about the campaign for Dr. Bawumia. Didn't say ten no. Say me freaking in Japan abua kwasia and I me dinatem. Maybe I will tell you say there be a year juma and a president. Yeah, I will say that. But you want xenophobia from the other side. Their campaigns were more than a fight. Ye did them, ye do ma me twenu mu nyine di atem e de campaign. Na wo akraketwa. Utumi jina babi ka che Dr. Bawumia se babi ne maame bibi. Kese ne yere eye hwan ne hwan ya. Ochina. Dr. Winnie, can you have the courage to look into his face and greet him? Untumi na washo ho. Na wakumo ho. That is how people's political career get die. Because of OP, personal burden. We are sir, we are politician, we are Jimmy for. Especially when you have an internal issue, a fee and tokwa, you have taken all that be die, so you have taken it, sir. You have taken it, sir. If you tokwa, you have taken it, sir. You have sir, Kuramani ye. And now Lanchamante or Hefa. Where is our Lanchamante? And no vote for no. Me say, come back home and let's work together. Yerenia, Dr. Bawumia Dauroma, one constituency, 10 appointment. Hey, be a now wabusu and nibi kura pube to me as appointment ni bi. Utemi yepa, una osu young people ni auto aba. Free constituency babino. Hey, be a now through this one constituency, 10 government appointment, you know. So come back and let's work together to make sure say, the great MPP will come back and stand strong again and win the election 2028. Because me be me. Mamen kanchro high ne. Upe in the political history, numerically, numbers. MPP for ye do so sine NDC for bebre. But say yankwa nkoto aba na NDC di nkunim. Ye nyina ye pie na koto aba, MDC will always lose. Tumi so de eba enye nipa ba akofo de. Common assembly man kura we assembly man we MPP ni. Say o party di nkunim na we assembly man ya wa hwe ne de. Hwe ne de o. Na ye say we DC. Obeye minister, obeye deputy minister, obeye CEO, obeye whoever, regional secretary, and why. I say, you cannot compare power to me, fanch, some baby money ye. But for na SSA. So, ye be foul ma many amount to me. O dear foul ma to me, foul ma menaji to me. Uji to me ni we are. Adia betchine do ma me bejina danyanchi, se bejino, or moon to me 100 ni beam. Enti me sre na ma kantre ken the supporters and crofona masha asia mudi artificial intelligence a creative party t-shirt ya musi the base no munya ijimi na adults mi nuanom ai ye nyina ya busua baako and this for kura mu ye ntotrafo and this for kura ye omuye recognized as enkrofo a intellectually omummohu na John the Miller abeka say omode they need illiterates no mo hi omo no wonte say be kwa akoto promise awie na ombeba abonten abeye dede ahya ase na yate ye ho na ye dabi ndisi for kura anyesa na nkenye yen adehye party to MPP we MPP ni bia believe so ye dehye emfa won support to Kennedy Agyapong Dr. Bawumia Kwabena Agyapong Dr. Agyapong or who yaw osei adutwim ya adehye kronkron. Be proud of your party, the flag of your party, blue, red, white. We are right center political party. Yeah, left. Yeah, left too. Yeah, left. Yeah, righteous. Yeah, righteous people. They was say my ninja. I support to your party na yentumi enim kunim 2028. Na say to me in a bar said ye tie bia no. Ehon frama bebo. Ehon frama ebebo ewo kwambi so. Look at ne de eko. Ajimi fo we omo aba abai mu yi. Omo so omo niska omo de be provide ade dey. A support a medical drone delivery system. But omo wo sika omo de be top pad de ama mayoa. Temi ye pa. It is a yeden a some people ba konwa mu a anye hwe in a way no o ma me bi ote kurase koko akuafo bi ote kurase oyi koko juma aboa wotentene owo bi kana anye hwe ye betumi de drone e de dura command and tentem amanasa na ho yade a honwu ebia na yo nana ebia na yo papa enti yeden a kwambi so no one way or the other no he will benefit from the power of one PP. I'm talking about general and free education. Now, no, you see the CEO of GES, Ghana Education Service. Waba Bonten say, parents, awufo, I was saying to your money and some commodities and farmer mumfanko school. But another danko kufu to teku nyaso. No matter either you NDC or MPP, anya no on the education sector, on the education side, no, Obabi take advantage of that. Unana will take advantage of that. Eko sukua o bottom pressure mama tonisho. So you see, in one way or the other, no, you are part of the MPP because you believe uji MPP ni ideology na yeda edie. Enti enye na o candidate anwene e na obetwe ho because said the etibia Dr. Bawumia added the righteous ideology and or the Babu mind 2029 going. So why should you have to withdraw yourself? Man chon kra. Brana yenyina yenka ye humbom ne yenya adwumadene. Na nkunimdie na ebeba no epa ebe yenyina ye de. And some way na Kyei Mensa Bonsu pese on kan kire Ghana fo and DC fo ne MPP fo nyina say mona modi Kennedy Agyapong ye campaign ma mo ho modi create situations whereby people should think say Kennedy Agyapong is away from the party or some boy on onim the onya free party no if we go to power, so he's not going anywhere and no can no vote no entro the base no tentenhuri nia bia enche bia emframa bi bepo amana tu akwakohye baabi enti mesrew asamba ko afutu ba ko so abese memfama amanfo ne se buja meso se like video na share ma likes no ofo afutuo kakra so ambese me mfa mankrofo ne se mesrɛ mo a saa the base no emfa wakoma nkɔhyem o mfa wakoma nkɔhyem wanhwɛ yi a na wadi nkukuo biem te sɛ de ukodi nkukuo ɛwɔ Kennedy akyi a ɛne wadwa yi wanhwɛ na de wakoma kodim the base na ɔtena emframa bi bɔ na the base na yera a ɛbɛwie na ɛno so aba abɛyɛ asɛm foforo na we have to also find a way to come and beg you enti mesro sɛ wo si the base kura mpo na mesro mfa wakoma nkodi akyire because ɛyɛ kuo bi a ɛyɛ asɛm bi a ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ bi a amanfoɔ bi no ma hyehyɛ a ɛne tire ɛne nan it is just a matter of yɛmia yɛ kuro omia ni kuro George Otibonsu omia ni kuro wote asɛm a ɔka yɛ wote asɛm a yɛwura Kyei Mensa Bonsu ka yɛ Otibonsu no ɔne Dr. Bawumia ne Samira Bawumia no mo problem bi a yɛ personal problem ɛnyɛ even political me ekwadwa bi fa wosre ai ɔne Dr. Bawumia no mo problem bi a it is nothing about MPP or whatever enti ɛyɛ just a way to kuro no emu abai ya hwede sika ai enema so ankese yɛde MPP dinimu kwa ko wie frɛ amanfoɔ hɔ ɛno so yɛ nsa anka enti yɛmfan ne way bi to distract people enti mesrew emfa wakoma nkodi the base na chi metra na mekasa look at me as a prophet hey me betna nsɛm a meka bia and it happens meka asɛm politically let me buy by more it will take time for it to happen but it happened. I told people, say, I started saying secondly Agyapong will get 25%, 17, from 25 to 70% in order to me. Could you call me my year? Oh, me thumbnails are made a post to me videos are hodwa. Ube unsada say 17%, and I said 25 or 20%. I knew what was going to happen. Sana meka achira wonen so se emfa wakoma nkodi the base na chi wanhwe yi a na ade bi a disappoint wo chena bi because sa George Otibonsu no Bawumia frɛ no wankɔ no ne Bawumia ankɔ kasa because we believe say wo sika nti no he can conquer everything ono na woni sika o eye top fo no na ɛwɔ mo nsɛm a ɔmo ka wona oye young guy no enkodi omoachi na so kodi akira at the end of the day you will be disappointed we disappointed na kuro fufuru aba beto wakoma mu eno so di se yemia ansa na wu na wasen aba nti mesrew emfa wakoma nkodi akire na yempe kuro fufuru bi amia 2024 MPP fo nyina yenya kuro kase a friend in the general election defeat never happened in the history of Ghana. Kuro kese pa me more than 1 week na aduane kura da manu ma enye de 2 weeks me didi am ho ntome 1 month na me da so te kese me am breathing into 2024 ankasa end no 2025 MPP for your breathe too much and then 2026 a internal election please enkope akoma by heart ko bi nkodi akire na ochina kuro fufuru ase aba betu ni ase aba bemia da bi ye ne adaje ye ferry the victory car to move on and win the election 2028 enti mo amusi no ke no vote no muntwa so na mo dada makoma ene maami bi of finance Kennedy Agyapong campaign ono so ababo ntene say yato abawie it is over or young people ni he's going to work for the MPP one of the toughest what them call financiers of Kennedy Agyapong enyan nkura bi no omuti pipe omo nim de omo kan wo media mu a omo keka nsemfo I'm talking about people omo dimina ewo MPP party num no ewo soro na omo kasa ekire bibi they have even accept and they are ready to work with Yewura Dr. Bawomi. Na abusua mo hu sticker. Mo hu sticker aho fama bi of fire de come Dr. Bawomi congratulations. Na akua afro mo akwa papa I want to say. Yeah, Mr. Kebari ma want to say we say yankopon adom ahodene wo ho. Abusua maybe say enti wa hu aho fama bi sabio yewia panyini sticker ediko sheyura Dr. Bawomi ase what winning ti okomani congratulations yehu ana say yehu ye sticker o na wo small boy o de tra ho na ye dede o de tra ho na ye no no vote when you be ba ho so no now you don't have any way to what? To remedy the things that you have caused. Eti mesre mo ase. Umenya to ase. Umenya otwen honhom. Muma yenka ihu say we are all together as a party. We lost internal election. We have not lost the general election. And no mom and the common goa yen ye di echire na menu suntino. Eshia ye ho ewo party wem. So all is not lost. Absolutely. Or it's not lost. It's not lost at all. We can still build back the party. We can all become one people with one voice. And obviously, everybody will have a minimum joy when in 2028 we are able to pull down the umbrella from the top of Ghana's head. Now, Osonoko Kroko intermediate party name. So obviously, I think I wanted to show you some of videos, but and I'm in Tiasia, mean to download videos. So I say more. Hemo wakura mean to download video. Be a message download. Be a meya mensanka. I don't know what is happening. Meya mensanka. Oh yeah. What is happening here? What is happening here? And this man to me, I'm up video now and say we have to move on to talk about different issues. Now actually yanko pomboa now you to me download do videos later about watch them all. Me kwabna kwame Quran or say king should not follow them as he will become as political irrelevant as Alan Tremantin. I say where the macan but me can man for NTS. I see the area we left King go, the better for us. We have no time to organize. Yeah, me mama Monica also say, hello, good evening, bro. How are you doing? Can network is not good, please check. Yeah, that time I was trying to make some things happen. Me mama I must say greediness is killing you and your so-called members. When you were enjoying goodies under MPP government, you didn't complain. You did not complain. Hey, yes. Entina Busia, this is what Kyei Mensa Bonsu had for a compre Agyapong's group. Omo Asheda Ese Papa Nidini with no vote. Meso say like video, no, yeah, like video, no, yes, Papa. Meso say like it. I am koyeni. And then so your first time, no about modern, our subscriber to the channel. Yanko yanimna yentoko about different matters arising. There matters and arising there. Matters arising in an say. Cocoa board hono. Problem kesiye ewo hopa. Nane and then me friend Madame Fubi or a police station agent. And I'm many didn't come on. Now, yet to about we and I'm friend in commode. I'm a shader. Say I want to give him space, you know, to let him reconcile with some of the things, and then later I call him. And then my friend I'm see Emilia. Moya dio. Mo boy Juma. Mama bruchire for ye niaje. Or say, as some of me ever catch them and say, oh yeah, dear, ya from dear. Ya we. Let's say a barber. Say Ghana for. Ebe fano na omo ato abanama no na me ka say oh mimi a ade ndi ntia o kasa Ghana for pe Dr. Bawomi asempa Ghana for enim de Dr. Bawomi wetumi aye enyuma papa wo ya ye no yere e wa buruchire ye ntia se de ntia Ghana for empe no mi ya ka kire me se bra asem mi hu se metumi aka o se metumi ka ase bra Ghana for ni binuma jimi o masra ase Ghana for no binuma jimpa o na me se adan ase na se Ghana for binum njimi yanka de nto mo asan kofa papa we John Mahama de naba anam se adan ti o kasa ase aduane a wonni bi da ena wonnim ne de wonnim ne nyono na aduane a wadi bi pen de wonnim ne nyono wonnim ne de enti ono no onti ase de enti Ghana for koto abadema John Mahama enti to him Ghana for mkoto abadema ndisi no omu ye jimi for no kana masere wo for so sa na ocheche masem bi mu ose ye ne wo ho asem na esi Ghana Cocoa Board ho no yesi akuafo but the real problem na asi ene e wo Ghana Cocoa Board ho no enye such as akuafo Ghana Cocoa crash for minim se wonim kwan ya omofa so Cocoa crash for omofa so to cocoa a me be kire wa de bi ani so na wadwene ho we are all focusing on the Ghana Cocoa Board and we focus on akuafo but middlemen na omoto cocoa no ye de omo asema to babi. Now let's think about it. Normally cocoa akuafo sha ase ti omo cocoa ntem by July August ho na manfo asha ase titi cocoa aban officially obie cocoa by ending of September October eho na aban asha ase ebie cocoa na odi sika ama crash for agent na omo so dey akoma omo crash for ewo afuom ene cocoa enkura ase dia wo se unhu ne se akrachi for no every June July ho August ho ba ni nyina no ebinom etimi kwaje bosia temi ye pa ebinom kwaje bosia efiri bank edi be den ebeto cocoa no efiri akuafo no nsam edi gu ho said ye be ya ye bie cocoa na aban no masika so mu cocoa ho mo eden omo de be kwa akoma aban no na omo ade age omo sika na omo de bosi omo boy enso omo akwa akotua. Now what is happening here? What is happening is last year John Mahama and Nkrofo announced the price of cocoa omo ye 3,600 no. Ghana crash for bebre. Ghana cocoa crash for bebre. Adi kan kwa kobo bosia ato cocoa bag no at 3,600 Ghana cedis. Atua ho ka de ama Ghana akuafo binom. Akuafo na jo musika gombotoma omo adi. Remember say November any December biano. Ghana Cocoa Board am fasika ama cocoa crash. Am fasika ama crash for. Omo to cocoa nkras no ye from cocoa crash. But Ghana cocoa akuafo no ekoton won cocoa de ma akrache for no e ma akrache for no kobo obosia every bank e de beto cocoa no e de free akuafo no nsam enti ene me no kasai Ghana cocoa akrache for no bebra boka bi da omoso a wahu ka manfo abo wahu. Imagine say what to cocoa best $100 na wunim se eyedan aban bebie cocoa na wakobo bosia na wato cocoa bag 100 a oto bia 3,500 na ne price where they buy bag bia yate so 1,000 Ghana cedis multiply 1,000 by 100 you say 100,000 Ghana cedis and a cocoa crash ni bia ne osu 100,000 Ghana cedis. make 1 million Ghana, 1 million titisicano, 1 billion titisicano. Obia boka 200,000 Ghana cedis, 300. It depende on ne wholesale no ne cashier. And this idea when I see your mind no. A tragedy, a economic tragedy, and lack of mismanagement. Kwasi champagne than their bay. Any Mr. One wine ato. Omodi abeto Ghana for so. And the cocoa kuya no. Ghana cocoa crash for so no. Obuso mu super. Omodi akro musu no doso. Omusu no doso. Because omodi no. Bebre no. Eye bosia na omokoje ne wo banks. Ya sandi nsi ho aka ho. Enti adra na edo mutim ne say they were coming to sell these bags to government. Na nkomo nyamfaso because obi dwene say ye to cocoa no eri ansna be na so price bi no ma e bia besia bi cocoa no na the price ni bi aka ho. Enti na me to ne say ya menya bi afiri so. Ene ne omo ne ene cocoa crash fo bebre etiam twa adwajo amanfo aboka ebinumu nim kwa amefo so betu omoka ebinumu nim how they have to go with what to talk with the president how they are going to pay their monies because banks no upe betu omoka momo enso mbecho. You see how mismanagement goes on. Na some mismanagement we nyina everyone free ato kwasi ampanyini forcing and then the yonko our any deputy CEO na nkrofo we the omo aye ne say omo ahye that course situation bi ewo Ghana Cocoa Board ho it is just for them to what to amass what so mo benya omo ho na ene old of 1p akosiu anase ode papa na yefe na to force oni ne deputy CEO no ode omoko court ode omakoma sraj ode omakoma yoku so omo nti sa nkrofo mi no yenko ne nkonkotie asema e wase ye ba ne aba bekasa afa Dumsur ho yenko mena sesia
mo ha enye bone ye na ni tua de asi okoko sector na de asi okoko sector no e ya sefem e ya de a enhyeda emmoa oman na ebo oman so na de ama anopai minority ye ni abrebebre ne se ye de enka bi nhemu ana enya ntie from a report eye PBC for akwakoye e wo Kajebi police station ye ka PBC omo ya ban dwumaku a omo hye Cocoa Board ase ana ye wo LBC for so omo so ye ankrankra dwumaku a omo so ye omo dwuma e wo Cocoa Board ana say in the cocoa sector hisa ban wo sika so obeto cocoa a ni nyansan mu no ye de ma PBC because I know the omo ya ban dwumaku omo de wo warehouses across the country omo timi ye de omo dwumadie na se bika na se abanu so se LBC no so ebi bom ho mode a ye de se sika de bi so di ama wo mo asisi am na o ka se de o hwe Cocoa Board ne omo dwumadie omo di a eya kwa se PBC de omo ya gu no PBC for ye ma omo sika ne bi PBC na no ne aban dwumaku o se nke di sika no ma omo no mo to Cocoa no mo nya mfaso no de bo aman no mo timi tua eye PBC for ka no omo ni se sika no ye mfa se sika ne ma wo mo na mom no opanyi bi a wo Cocoa Board oye deputy CEO in charge of finance and administration and the company your friend Atlas Commodities Limited ono ne ye sika ma no Cocoa Board di sika ma no so won fan to cocoa ye di private eye PBC for se sika no ono ni to cocoa no a ono so oni warehouses no odi license a also ye de oye odi dwumadie no e wo sa district ama wo boni din Kajebi ni Jasikan na okosa district no a o yusu eye aban no warehouses PBC warehouses also ko di ye dwuma PBC for di ye dwuma no eno na wo yusu ana wo se nya mfa so wo oman no ho enti sika wo se nka aban no etumi enya efri eye the industry as far as cocoa ye concern no saa sika ni na ko gu nipa ba ko botom saa nipa ba ko ne Mr. Atoboatin ono na deputy CEO e wo eye Cocoa Board na samra me no ka say PBC for no bu afu ye eno nti no omukọ eye Kajebi police station komeki a police report sa police report no eno na yensa kan ye ne hu se PBC for no person mo kire se omo de omo to koko bi anti e den na koko bebu omo warehouse koko na egu warehouse no ceilings e wo hu nyina ye Atlas Commodities Limited me de ehun foni ni bi e de akremo and since am no ka say no e ya ko se sa panyin no owo a situation bi mu a constitution na no conflict of interest article 284 of the 1992 constitution or say we a public officer any kwan say we do hu ko gina bia say gina bia no obi onam kwa ho kran po hu sa de no beka say ade we de enya de papa any kwan say ye so won sa say wadi boni bi ansa da bi constitution na ankasa e wase ye chew say ade we de dipa no wa ye sa de no ansa na constitution no e bia woni constitution abo atomra da bi na mom no se nipa ani hunu se ba bia papa yi gina ye Atlas Commodities no ono na ene dia. In fact, he is the biggest shareholder in it. He is the sole owner anyway. We have BOP documents now. On the sole owner, the year say as Dom Kuma wa Parliament. Yes, sir. Say OSP. And she says Numaye. Yes, sir. Say charge for and so and share a conflict of interest issues now. A woman so my. Yes, sir. Say Cocoa Board for if indeed they are interested in protecting the public purse. Omuko tia a compensation and from PBC for if you say more use PBC tools of trade, more use some warehouse, more use some workers na day so there should be a compensation that will have to be paid by that private sector, which is the Atlas Commodities Limited and Farmer Bino.
Yes, at the four sema etwa gunu mu nyina amatibi the woman say ato forcing so they say ato forcing Randiabe and the deputy CEO no Ghana Cocoa Board hono omo de bokro no kese omo de ye adwuma ma omo ho so no wonder say ye what this situation na ye bompa ye say the shraj yoko any sabio the special prosecutor no omo beka into this issue na omo de sabio emra ebe ye adwuma na babia wo se peyo enkoda no akoda na asumdwie abagana Cocoa Board ho ebeto aso no yakoyani na meso se like video no na share ma me comment na me hu message na me nkan emfama o ento aso no yankoyanim abusia dia asem na nsi wo Ghana tie we ye
na maintenance and say
and I'm saying anka bibia say wo so mu de communicate eba abontin say ye maintenance enti say no ebo say ya we be call off we be 59 eno anwumre 9 me be adwuma ne enso kanea no
ade de em say ya ha na wonti e krata bia
me bibia
I see so mention ECG for momo ohono area bay
Adenta house and down
yeah like I say amount for the nyoma ebo
so light no
Tantra Hill so say problem a showman so say problem
okay
a blaje am so be demonstration
serious so light ne dey
I was there all the asempa nabo 20 hour for the economy all the asempa nabo 24-hour economy Ahama is the hope, he is the hope enokre enene enne abusia Dumsur is back. Manacha. Dumsur is back. Dumsur is back. Dear Necro. And the Ghana in Ababia is soon too. O my hene. Catch the Ghana for the echo. Yetio.
Oh. Na maintenance and I say
and I'm saying anka bibia say wo so mu de communicate eba abontin say ye maintenance enti say no ebo say ya we be call off we be 59 eno anwumre 9 me be adwuma ne enso kanea no
ade de em say ya ha na wonti e krata bia
me bibia
I see. So, mention ECG4. Momo Ohono. Area bay.
Adenta house and down.
Adenta house and down.
Yeah.
Make us say amount for the new member.
So I won't lie to no.
Tantra Hill, some say problem. A showman, some say problem.
Okay.
A blaje. I'm some bad demonstration.
Serious so light in it.
Asembia ba. John Mahama is the most cruelest, the most insensitive, the most unprepared president Ghana for Yenya. Unluckily, 2012, Papa Weber president, Ghana for Muhu ni Subai. But still, 2024, Mose Mahama is the hope. He is the hope. And I'm to monyom a man for boo on pa kesiye. And the Ghana ni bi auto potro 1 liter utia Dumsur levy. Tiemiye pa ebi ano nyante. Daba bia olole fe na yeje wo no. Yeji sika film se ye de kwa akosolve Dumsur. Afinie ene yeji di levy. Enso ene ye dasu mu ene. Ene na omo kanyem na meka tieniye. Tieniye pa. Ye koya na ye bai. Ye koye anase ye bai. In the heat of COVID, when the global economy was on its knees, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was able to make sure, say, if you be kanea, and you know, ebi be wo ho na wo person fan to basku atade wo person won fan ton ice water wo person fan ton ice kenke wo ye weather wo ye fitting wo ye hwan organizer ubenya kanea de ye adwuma wo ye factory ubenya kanea de ye adwuma na wo create nyuma de ama in the heat of COVID, when the global economy was on its knees, Addo was able to find a way to generate power. And Crawford we ban annual day. What is happening? Babia ye tu. Obaino. Babia aye tu. A nurse fuesu. Cocoa pharmacy su. Cocoa akrashi fuesu. And then Ghana ni babia edasumu. Now, listen to what is happening in Kumasi. Na minim kwanya kan papa we John Mahama fa so or the capitation grant eba asanteman mu betete asanteman ene Mahama samba ye or the Dumsur betete asantefo tie bi na yenko yani.
It is affecting me a lot. As you can see, I'm sitting outside. There are a lot of work needs to be done this morning. A lot of applications needs to be filled. Clients are waiting to get the application. I don't know, they should give us a timetable, whether we are back to, how do we call it, Dumsur or what? Because every day, not once, not twice, you understand, every day we've been experiencing this. Even my home, the whole of last night, I decided to take advantage to do some job at home, but I couldn't because there was no light at home. I came to the office this morning about 1.5 hours and there's no light. Still, there's no light. So if there's a Dumsur, they should come out and tell us there's a Dumsur, and then they give us a roadmap or timetable.
The light system is going on throughout the weeks, the daytime and in the evening time, both house and the business. But I can't know the reason. But we are always getting assurance from the government and the electricity that they are operating and restoring the power back. But up to now, how the system is going, we can't understand. Okay, but of course, as we are, as things are going on, that is why we're going. But we can say that the Dumsur is coming back again.
In fact, the power outage is really affecting my business very negatively, because someone will come and buy a charger or something that you have to test it for the person, and there's no light. There are some people whose trust in people are very difficult to come by. So when you don't try it for the person, he or she will not buy. I also charge phones for my customers, and I take a little amount from the charging. Now the light is off, and I've encountered about 7 people now. They wanted to charge their phone and there's no light. They wanted to buy a charger, no light. In fact, it is really affecting my business. So I'm urging those in the higher authority to do something about it.
Generator no siso. Mahama mamu. Generator no siso sa. Abusia wo fie me kase mahama mamu a. Na waje so generator esiso. Abusia wa watini wasum. Watini wanum. Enye me na meka kire. The situation in Ghana today, it is worse. Now, I want you to listen to a video before I go. Because video be as of course. Because video no, a moonsem no, a dorsal. We told you Ghana for say. Papa na ye frene John Darega Dramani Mahamano. Or nye papa. Moon taking it serious. Or ye comedian. Or ba platform swa. Obama wasre. Obeka de ye de ama utim ayew na. De wo pese wontie no. Sabio John Mahama obeka ama wa ayew de. Na eba ne reality say Sabio yenye de ya promise ya. John Mahama has no idea of how Sabio and Yama Binom Kwaya Yafaso Ayen Yamabi. Abusian for any who the echo ne. I'm saying I at the echo. And I say light. A bin Nikrunumu BM. Light a FN light. Common light you. A bin ni ho. Na kampese. Na kampese. Sabio ajuma aba. Enti wa wo de light ye ajuma bia no efri ne koi opa ma nko ajuma. Obetumi atena fie. Wa wo de light ena ye ajuma bia Mahama se men kan tro say officially wa mawo ye frɛ ne say Wa more holidays were Jumam. Abusian for me to download the video. I think I cannot download any video to pray to you, but I wanted to. I actually wanted to pray a video to you. Nanka yatie ni ye. Sa fe ni ashasia. Yeah, then. You experience Mahama's new administration. Na juma all you know, na juma obeye ye no. Afei ena ho nsunsanso ate asi Ghana for ye brabom. Abusa me de mo besi a ma be phone lines na tum. Utumi frɛ na won so no wa kyerɛ wadwen fefefe. Dumsur no ejina ne nan so. Me train course abanso a de mo besi a na ochena Yankopon ya adoma yasan ahia.
Oh. Na maintenance and I say
and I'm saying anka bibia say so mu de communicate eba bontin say ye maintenance enti say no ebo say ya we be call off we be 59 eno anwumre 9 me be adwuma ne enso kanea no
ade de em say ya ha na wonti e krata bia
me bibia
I see. So me hwe na ECG for momo ohono area bay.
Adenta house and down.
Adenta house and down.
Yeah.
Make us say a man for the new member.
So light no.
Tantra Hill some say problem. A showman some say problem.
Okay.
A blaje. I'm some bad demonstration.
Serious so light in it.
Yes, and Tiabusia, the economy, there is no light. There is Dumsur in the country called Ghana, all because of the incompetency of John Darega Dramani Mahama. Abusia for him say ko be a man till me the umbesia. Now Chanyanko Ponya Duma, ya sign Asia. But in Chiakese, Emma will suma samani. Imame nana akuya afro papa bi mechiao ye pa. Kwame Kran mechiao. Minya Kwajoa Brefa mechiao. Michael Edu mechiao ye pa minya. Me mami Monica mechiao. Me mami ama mechiao nsu ye pa. Mami sister Esther K Barima ai mechiao ye pa. Kofi Frank mechiao. Mina minya ba Diana Pia mechiao ye pa. Ida mu nyina ase ene mobre. Menim se Yankopon ya adoma wochena se de atie bia no. Mo besan ahia me e wo platform we ya so. Ida mu besia na masere mo nso se yefiri ya yenko SKB TV. No, sorry. Kakari TV or live. Na yenko boa no. Na nso fa ni dwumadie no. Enhihye so. Akra mu nyina until we meet again. Adios.